Everyone thinks that if a vacuum cleaner loses suction, it's just a matter of age or dirt. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, you might find the real issue hidden in places you never expected.
Product number 1, Pet Ode Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. I want to talk about the Pet Ode Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. This little kit caught my attention because it promises to solve a common issue that many of us face with our vacuum cleaners. At just $7.99, it's priced fairly for the convenience it offers. If you're struggling with suction because of clogged dryer vents, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product could be a game changer for you. First off, it features a universal compatibility design, meaning it'll connect easily to most vacuum cleaners out there. That's huge because compatibility issues can often be frustrating. The kit also includes a flexible dryer lint brush and an attachment that's 31.5 inches long. Imagine being able to reach behind your appliances or into tight spaces effortlessly. This is particularly useful for cleaning out years of lint buildup in dryer vents, which can block airflow and lead to reduced vacuum performance. Over time, a clogged vent can even pose a fire risk, so using this regularly can keep your dryer running efficiently. Now, I have to be honest with you. Some users mentioned that the plastic material feels a bit cheap and might not hold up against rigorous use. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and use it for regular maintenance rather than heavy-duty jobs, it should serve you well. It's important to manage expectations here. This is perfect for you if you own a vacuum cleaner and want to maintain its suction power by cleaning your dryer vents and other hard-to-reach areas. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty, or if you don't have a vacuum cleaner at all. Honestly, for $7.99, it's a solid investment to extend the life of your appliances.
So if your vacuum cleaner is losing suction, it could be as simple as needing a deep clean of your dryer vents. The Pet Ode Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit is an affordable and effective solution to take care of that. Keeping your home and appliances clean can help you avoid bigger headaches down the line.